What's good, everyone? It's your boy WhiteDesku, and today I got an unboxing video. It's been a while since I've done one of these, and I want to give a huge shout out to my boy KOOVI. He kindly sent this mic out to me. I'll be linking all of his socials in the description below, and go select him, because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have this mic right here. This is the Razer Seiren X. This microphone was mainly for streaming. I heard it was a very versatile mic. You can use it for music, streaming, gaming, anything you need to use it for. I heard, pretty versatile. So I got this in the mail just yesterday, but my leasing office was closed, so I couldn't really go and get my package, which sucked. So I waited until today and I was able to get the package. So I'm just gonna take it out of this packaging since it got a bunch of addresses on there. So take it out there. Alright. And here is the Razer Seiren X. So it says here that you can use it with OBS. So the best streaming experience. For the best streaming experience, download Open Broadcaster software or XSplit. I use OBS for my stream, so this will be perfect. They're saying that it's streamer certified, so I hope Razer lives up to its name on that. I have watched some reviews from other fellow tech YouTubers. I heard this microphone was actually pretty good. That's where I heard that was versatile from. Now I heard that people complain about the price. According to KOOVI, he said that he only spent like $69 on this microphone because it was on a special. So again, huge shouts to the boy KOOVI for sending this out. So I like the box. It's Razer got that whole green and black feel going on. Looks pretty decent. Get a little focus right there. Let's look at the back of the box. So I see unleash your voice, ultra precise pickup pattern, shock resistant, compact form factor. I did hear that this thing has some shock resist in it. So basically, let's say you drop the microphone, basically it absorbs the shock of the fall. So I don't normally drop no microphone, so I wouldn't really bother me. But probably if something were to happen, I could see that being useful. But yeah, pretty useful. So let's get into this box. I don't see that I need to like cut any plastic. Oh wait, no, I should need to cut this right here. So I'm gonna get me some scissors to help out with that. I kind of got my box cutter on me. Alright, so I got me a pair of scissors. Now I'm gonna just open the back of the box right here. Since I don't got my box cutter, I gotta use the scissors, so hopefully I don't damage the box because I want to keep the box in mint condition. Well, not mint condition, but I cut the box. Dang. Wait a minute, what's this? What's this? Oh my god. There's a stick. There was a stick I can peel. See, that's new. Not a lot of products have that. And if they do, then hey, I just didn't know. There we go. So as you guys can see, there's a microphone. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. If you compare it to what I've currently been using for the last like 3-4 years, I've been using a blue snowball. So far, I'm feeling like a plasticky matte finish type of feel. It's quite interesting. Like, it looks nice. I like the feel. Like, it looks like it has a matte black finish, which I love. But it does feel very plasticky. Like, I say plastic pieces. It has like a really obvious plastic feel. Like how plastic feels. Hear that? That's how plastic feels. But there's nothing wrong with that. But I did see that a lot on this platform that people were complaining about. So, got the microphone out of the way. Smooth this styrofoam. We got this nice clean manual / packaging right here from Razer. Put that to the side. So I heard that people complain about the wire. This is the wire right here. From what I'm looking at, it doesn't seem to be that short, at least for me, because I actually got the cord for my blue snowball right here compared to this. The blue snowball mic, I don't got the exact measurements for it, but if I were to stretch this cord out, this is a lot longer. Obviously, the blue snowball cord is a lot longer. So get the cord for here, Razer Seiren. It's about the same length. Why are people saying it's short? It's like it's about the same length. It's actually a long cord. That's okay. That's actually a long cord. I actually work with, at least with my setup. So at the bottom, I see that we have this little, from what I can see, it's like a little neck, like a neck for the microphone. And the very bottom, the base, Ooh, no, see, this feels very metallic right here. I like this. See, that's metallic. It actually has some weight to it. So I guess that means that this microphone won't fall so easily. So you just have to attach these two parts together, and then boom, you put the Seiren X on top of that. But I'm not gonna need this. Personally, I'm not gonna need this because I use a boom arm with a pop filter, like I've been using with my Blue Snowball for a while. So I'll be using this right here. So I'll be installing it on here. I won't be doing a mic test in this video, but I will be setting it up for you guys. So if you want to know what this microphone looks like with a boom arm and pop filter, you guys gonna see that now. Ugh. All right, I was able to get that end piece off of my Blue Snowball. So just need to put this into the Seiren X, which should be pretty easy, and it is. There we go. Now we can put this in the boom arm. I think this should be decent. I've been seeing a lot of people like put their microphone like this. If you are a true gamer and streamer, always put your microphone down like this. Always. That's just the correct way. Because I was watching a video before, this unboxing video, and somebody had the microphone like the opposite way, and it just didn't look good to me at all. So, whoop. Let me put this cord on here. Alright, so far I see the microphones being installed on my computer right away. The mic looks amazing. I'm not gonna lie, you guys probably can't see this, but I have like the mic on mute now, and here's the mic in green. As you can tell, it's recording. So well, not recording, but it can hear my voice. So I'm gonna pop up OBS right quick. All right, guys, I am now recording a video on both cameras from the camera that's recording me now, and I got the OBS camera open right now. So let me know what you guys think about the mic quality. This is the mic quality on the Razer Seiren X on my boom arm with the pop filter. Here it is with all the sound in all its glory, unedited, and then here it is with me muting the mic. Guys, be the judge in the comments. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below on, did you guys hear the OBS recording mute as soon as I hit the mute button, or did you guys still hear me, or it didn't work at all? So let me know. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.